Welcome to this video introduction to the WorkWell Command Center. This software runs on your desktop and provides a comprehensive solution for managing your small service business. It provides an easy-to-use suite of tools for managing your job scheduling, invoicing, reminders, tracking, mapping, and much more. Here we are on the Command Center dashboard. Notice that it's comprised of many panels, each with a different function. The Quick Look and Snapshots panels give you a very visual, easy-to-understand overview of how your company is performing. The other panels ensure that you don't miss any of the important day-to-day details necessary in running your business. For example, in the Today panel, we have a timetable. The timetable shows everything that needs to be done today, all of the jobs and any reminders. You can text this information to your workers. Click on the text button and choose a worker, and it will automatically text their responsibilities for the day. And by clicking on Route, we can get a map view. This shows all of the locations for the jobs for today and color codes them according to which worker is responsible. We can see that there are 4 colors and hence 4 workers out in the field today. The blue jobs are Adam, the yellow jobs are Bob, green jobs are Dan's, and the red jobs are assigned to Joe. At a quick glance, we can see down in the south part of the map, there are 3 jobs clustered together. 2 are red, assigned to Joe, and 1 is blue, assigned to Adam. Now Adam has 2 jobs up north, job B and job H. If we could reassign this job L so that Adam wouldn't have to travel all the way south and back, if we assigned it to Joe, we'd have much less travel time overall for the day. And hence our crews in the field would be much more efficient. So let's do that. Let's go to job L, open it up, remove Adam, and switch over to Joe in the assigned workers, save, and update the map. So that's great. So when Joe's down in this area, he can pick up this 3rd job, and Adam can stay up north and work with his jobs. Okay, so next I want to get the best travel route for one of my workers. So let's choose Dan, and to get the route, we click on the car icon at the top. So this shows the best way to travel between all of the jobs and gives you directions along with the estimated distance and time of driving, 82 minutes. If we click on the rocket icon, we get a different route. In this case, the new route is only a little bit shorter. Sometimes it can be dramatically shorter. This second optimized route assumes that it's okay to reorder the sequence that you do your jobs. Okay, we're back to the original map of today's jobs. Let's look at another feature. Down here in the table, notice the Street View icon. If we click on one of these, we get a street view of the property. It's a very good way to get familiar with the property and its neighborhood. Okay, again, let's go back to the original map, and we'll center it. So now let's take a look at where our employees are using GPS tracking. Start by selecting an employee. Let's select Adam. Now if I click on the eye icon at the top, a star shows up marking Adam White's last known location. Adam White has the WorkWell mobile app loaded on his smartphone, and it's sending his GPS coordinates on a regular basis, and that's what we're showing here. So here we are back in the dashboard. We'll scan down and we'll look at some of the other important items, for example the weekly agenda timeline. This shows everything that needs to be done for the current week in a chronological order. You can go backwards and forwards to other weeks as well. So it shows reminders, jobs, everything that needs to be done for the week. If you like, you can go to other types of information. You can focus just on jobs. You can focus just on invoices, for example. And to the right, we have numerous lists. These track virtually everything that needs to be done in your business. For example, we see that we have a lot of unpaid jobs. We can open this and go to any of them. and get more information and deal with the issue. And we have lists of all of the open action items, pending invoices and quotes, and also communications with leads and customers. So it tracks all of the texts, phone calls, and emails with all of our leads and customers. So the dashboard is basically the go-to place to quickly see what's going on in your business. Now let's head over to the scheduler. So this is a calendar view of all of your jobs, action items, leads, and follow-ups. All of the jobs are color-coded according to what we've chosen here in the highlight box, in this case, the assigned worker. So each color represents a different worker. And we can schedule a worker for a job just by dragging or changing the size of the box. We learn more by just clicking on the box. We get the detail in the upper right, or by double-clicking. If we double-click, we get the job form that pops up, and we can make changes. We can schedule a new job by double-clicking on a time slot. A new job form pops up. We can select a customer and assign a worker, and we're off and running. Here's the new job scheduled. We can color code based on other attributes, for example, jobs not paid. All these red jobs haven't been paid yet. You can see there are no outstanding invoices. These red jobs, the invoices haven't been sent yet. We can see all of our high value jobs. These are all jobs worth more than $200. And we can see all jobs assigned to a particular customer. And here we are back to our assigned workers. There's a lot of other features within this scheduling tool. Obviously, you can go to day, week, monthly views, even a yearly view. And you can move backward and forward a week at a time.